Having terrible sleep patterns, suffering from stress and busy schedules? Well, then welcome to dark circles all around your eyes. These are quite stubborn and are not easy to remove if you do not take good care of your eyes. Here's how you do it. Olive oil for dark circles is a quick remedy and easy to do, and hardly takes any of your time. This is natural and has essential ingredients within which will help soothe your eyes and relax them. Before we understand how to use olive oil for dark circles, let us first see some benefits of olive oil for dark circles concern. It has vitamin K, which is an essential ingredient. This helps to normalize and equalize skin tone beneath your eyes. The antioxidant properties nourish the skin naturally and provide essential oil the skin requires. If you are suffering from wrinkles around your eyes, olive oil tries to get rid of these patterns. It relaxes the skin and gives a soothing effect around the eyes area. Well, in this video I'm gonna show you an amazing recipe to get rid of dark circles around your eyes. So let's get started. All we need here is 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Rose water lightens the skin tone and provides a soothing and calming effect. The refreshing fragrance of rose water relaxes the senses. Mix well. Pour it on a cotton ball, or you can use your fingers as well. Apply it for under-eye dark circles in a circular motion. Let it for about 15 minutes. Do it every day and see the result yourself. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.